everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sherena. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do an easy winged liner. So if you want to see how I achieve this, then please keep watching. I know I look a bit weird right now. It's because I don't have any eye makeup or mascara on. In today's video, we will be learning how to do a winged eyeliner. So like everything else in life, practice does make it perfect. So the more you practice doing a winged eyeliner, the better you will be at it. I honestly don't wear a winged eyeliner that often. It's not a look I gravitate towards, but I know for a lot of you guys, it's your go-to look. And I really hope that this video makes it easier for you to do, and soon you'll be able to do it in your sleep. There are a lot of different ways to help make applying eyeliner easier. Today we're going to be using the tape method, which I think is really good. It's a foolproof way of doing it, and even if you're a first timer or you've been trying to perfect that wing for a while now, it's really going to help. And I know you're thinking that I'm not going to pull out a piece of tape every time I want to do a winged eyeliner, but really it's just about practicing. So eventually you will be able to do it without the tape, and it will look just as good and be just as easy. Everyone has different shaped eyes. Some have almond shaped or round eyes or cat eye shaped eyes. So there are different ways of doing a winged eyeliner to suit that specific eye shape. Now, if you have already done your makeup like I have, using the tape will disturb it a bit around the eye, but you can just go ahead and fix it with your foundation brush. But if you're doing your winged eyeliner first, then you really should have no problem. For today's tutorial, I will be using the Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner. Although I do recommend for first timers to use a pen type eyeliner, I just think it gives you more control rather than these ones. You also will need 2 pieces of tape, preferably a thin tape, and I like to stick it onto the back of my hand just so it loses some of its stickiness. I placed the tape at an angle from my bottom lash line till the end of my eyebrow, and really make sure it's pressed down so we get a clean wing. First step is that we're going to be lining our entire lash line. So basically just lining the entire thing. We're not doing the wing yet, and you want to try and get as close to the lash line as possible and start with a thin line so you have room if you do make a mistake. I like to use a compact mirror that I can hold and look into it downwards. It does make it easier to do. Now that we have our entire eye lined, we are going to move on to the wing. So you just make a line above the tape, and depending on how long you want your wing to be, I don't like my wings to be too long, so I stop halfway between the end of my eye and my eyebrow, like this. So you're just going to draw a line like this, and the next step is to connect that line to the rest of your eyeliner. You can see we've done that, but we want the line to be straight. So the best way is to just tilt your head back a bit and close your eye, just so we can get that straight line. So you're going to tilt your head back and kind of close your eyes a bit. And that's basically it. You just connect the end to the rest of it, and you want this line to more or less be straight, And then you can fill in whatever empty space there is. You can rest your hand on your face so it gives you some support. You can take a deep breath. And that's your winged eyeliner. Now we're going to move on to this eye. Just added some mascara and some individual lashes, and this is the complete look. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.